This is Lola Lee. I make a lot of videos about 90-day fiance, so support me by purchasing a super thanks and also hit that like and subscribe button. Fans are starting to see some red flags in Yve and Mohamed's relationship. First major one was Mohamed seems to want a mother more than a wife. I'm still shocked that he said that. And remember last week's episode, he almost burned down the kitchen trying to cook his own breakfast. I guess his mom usually takes care of the breakfast making thing. Even though these two are still in their honeymoon period, it looks like this relationship may not last. Yve is starting to notice issues in their relationship. Mohamed had explained how he needed a bidet in the bathroom. Yve wasn't able to get it done before he arrived. So I guess Mo tried to install it himself but had no luck. So she asked the plumber to come over and install it. When Mohamed realized another man was in the same room as Yve without him being informed, he explained as per his religion, this was not allowed, and the next time a situation like that occurred, Yve should go out of the house and have him handle it himself. I mean, that's so shocking to me. So he's basically kicking her out of her house if a man is in the house. She's not allowed to be alone with a man. Okay. So Yve was obviously shocked by this and said she didn't want to live her life this way and seemed really weirded out. Mohamed then told her that he made all of these sacrifices by leaving Egypt and now he expected her to do the same. I mean, didn't they talk about things like this before he decided to move to America? Anyway, his reasoning why she couldn't be alone with a plumber or any man was because of her safety and also his religion. So fans felt as though Mohamed was picking and choosing parts of his religion that suited his needs. Check out how fans are reacting. And it does seem like Mohamed is picking and choosing parts of his religion that suits him, especially the sex before marriage thing. I mean, what's up with that, Mohamed? And other Muslims are also pointing out other things too. Check out this comment. I don't know, guys. I don't know if this relationship is gonna last. What I have learned from watching 90-Day Fiancé is dating people from different parts of the world can seem exciting at first, but it's a whole different thing when you actually decide to settle down. Adjusting to your partner's culture and religion can be very difficult and can even lead to breakups. And I am seeing possible cracks already. I have been looking at Yve's Instagram and also Mohamed's. Yve celebrated her birthday. Happy belated birthday, Yve. And weirdly, she didn't post any pictures of her and Mohamed. Looks like she celebrated with her son and also with her friends. However, Mohamed did share his modeling pictures and also shared that he's now on Cameo. That was a little strange. I kind of expected him to post something about her birthday. What are your thoughts? Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Bye.